In this video, we're going to show you how to easily customize your footer using Elementor. Let's get started. To do that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then choose Customize from the menu on the left. Once you're in the Customize section, go to Site General and click on Footer. From here, select Footer with your wish. Now hit OK to apply this layout. Next, let's edit the footer using Elementor. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, find the Editor tab, and click on the Footer menu. Now, choose Edit with Elementor. This will open a new tab where you can start customizing your footer. In Elementor, you can easily edit different parts of the footer. For example, if you want to change the logo, click on Customize Image. Choose the image you want from your media library and hit OK. You can also customize other sections like About, Help, Newsletter, and the footer icons. You can easily edit footer icons here. Click the Update button to save everything. Lastly, we'll check that everything is updated. Go back to WordPress, click on Doot Support, and open it in a new tab to see your new footer live. And that's it. You have successfully customized your footer using Elementor. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on WordPress and Elementor. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.